session on the breathing pattern. Breathing is very important when you are practicing yoga, especially yoga, asana, meditation, pranayama. Breathing plays major role. So that's why before practicing asana, before practicing Surya Namaskara, before practicing meditation, before practicing pranayama, you need to check out your breathing part, which is connected to your mind, your thought. You might have observed what happens when you are angry, when you are in stress. What happens? Breathing is very fast. Your breathing is fast means your mind is disturbed. Your breathing is fast means your mind is disturbed. And when you are in calm, your breathing is deep. So there is a connection between the breathing and your mind. So breathing is the tool to control the thought. So even in the subtle form of practice, you are trying to balance your prana, the life force, the vital energy. Okay, there is a difference between the breathing and the prana. So we will talk about the difference in the future videos, but right now you just try to understand. For breathing also you need prana. For take the breathing also you need prana. Without prana you can't breathe in. Prana works for your digestion, for your thought, for your movement, the energy flow. So when you are learning the practice, the breathing practice, you just think about, you are not learning only the breathing, you are trying to balance your prana level in your body. Okay. So there are many breathing techniques. So which I give importance is called yogic breathing. Okay. So yogic breathing can be used for the pranayama, for the asana, and for other yogic techniques. So very important practice. There are three parts in yogic breathing. The first part is abdominal breathing. Abdominal breathing, what happens, is related to your stomach area, diaphragmic. Okay. So in Sanskrit it is called udariya swasan. So what happens? Most of the health issue which we suffer because the wrong breathing pattern is abdominal breathing you can get. It is connected mostly like your heart problem, your stomach problem, your sugar level, your stress level, all related to mostly your wrong breathing of your abdomen. So abdomen breathing is something which 90% people they do mistakes. So what they do when they breathe in, stomach goes in, breathe out, stomach goes out, which is wrong. You are giving stress to your heart, your lungs. You are taking short breathing. You are not taking proper oxygen, more oxygen which you are capable. So the abdomen breathing, one of the best breathing practice to correct your lifestyle, correct your health problem if you have, or it can be preventive practice, or you can postpone your problem. Okay. So the abdominal breathing, there is the breathing pattern, breathing practice, what we do, breathing process, you have to adapt particular different posture which you should be comfortable. Okay. If you are not comfortable, you can practice in lie down on the mat or on sofa or bed. But I will suggest you to do in any sitting position, that will be good. So what are the sitting position you can adopt? You can adopt Padmasana. This is Padmasana. So remember, when you are sitting and practicing breathing practice, your back should be straight. Your back, neck and head should be straight. Always sit straight. You feel your spine is like stick. With that support, your body is trying to sit. You just don't leave the body weight on your buttocks or pelvic area. You have to shift that weight on your spine. It should be straight but relax. It should be not, don't stretch your face, don't stretch your neck, don't stretch your hand. It should be straight but relaxed, still relaxed. That is the best position you can adopt for the breathing practice. Okay. Many people, they feel difficult to sitting in Padmasana, very difficult. I don't suggest, especially the person who have back pain, slip disc related problem, they should not sit in Padmasana. I don't suggest. And you should adopt the posture where you can sit longer time, because you are doing the subtle practice. So that's why asana should be done to correct, to go through for meditation preparation. So the asana is very important to practice meditation and pranayama. So if you are not comfortable in this position, Padmasana, I will give another choice which you can practice. This asana. Maybe many of you maybe remember. No, this is called Vajrasana. This is the only one asana which you can do after the meals, where back, neck, head should be one line. You can adopt any mudra. I will guide you later mudra. Today you can keep it on your thighs. Okay, knees together. In this also, make sure your back should be straight. Don't leave your body weight on your heels and ankle joints, which is not advisable at all. Okay. So maybe many people find difficult this asana, knee pain. Okay, especially the knee pain people, I don't suggest to sit in this position initially, but with the practice, there is a knee pain practice, yoga for knee pain. With that practice, slowly with a few months of practicing the asana, you can try this. Okay, this also difficult. Then last is, which I can suggest, is Sukhasana. This Sukhasana, just cross leg. However you feel comfortable, you can sit in cross leg. This way, okay, this way, or this way, simple way, or like this way, whichever feel, you can do it. Don't get confused, there will be many other related to the keeping the leg. There are different asanas, Swastikasana, Siddhasana, Siddhyodhyasana. Don't get confused. I want you to sit comfortably. This is, I call it Indian pose. We Indians eat food in this position only. So this is the best position if you are not comfortable with the other asanas. If this also difficult, you can do in lie down. You just lie down on your back and you can practice. So that is optional. Okay. The best result if you want, this is the best way you should practice. So the abdomen breathing, the best way to interlock your fingers and keep it below your navel area, below the navel, not above, below the navel. I want all of you to focus the below the navel part there, okay, while you are practicing. So interlock, keep it, shoulder relax, back is straight. So what you have to do is, use your nose, not your throat. Remember, you should use from throat till navel and from navel to throat. You imagine there is a pipe. You are trying to take the energy, you are feeling the energy. That way you should feel it. Okay. Avoid the throat. So interlock it, keep it below the navel. What you have to do, when you breathe in, stomach slowly bulges up. When you breathe out, stomach goes in. Breathe in, put effort, take more than whatever normal breathing you take. So stomach bulges up as inhale, exhale, gently suck your abdomen in, press maximum. Feel that you are trying to touch your navel to your lower back, and then breathe in, bulges up, breathe out, press maximum. Continue. Now make your breathing such a way like you feel like you are sitting near window seat, car window seat, train window seat, how you feel the breathing. That sound try to hear, not from throat, from your nose. Breathe out, press maximum. Breathe in. Abdomen maximum, expand it. Breathe out, completely press. 3 more times. Two. Last one. And then release your hand, feel the same effortlessly. Effortless breathing, whatever you have done, automatically your abdomen is bulging up. Abdomen is going in. Feel the cooling effect in your stomach. Feel the warmth, feel the light. Feel the difference after the practice. You are starting taking more oxygen. You are feeling light, cool. Experience the changes after the practice. Very important. So what happens initially for many people it is difficult because from childhood they are doing wrong breathing. Okay. So when you are conscious you may be able to do proper way, but there are people by conscious also for them is difficult. So you have to become aware. You can keep some pillow or something which you can experience the movement. Okay. If not, with this can be done anytime. Anytime, there is no particular time you should do it. While eating, while sleeping, while working, while driving, you have to be conscious. So it will take maybe 2-3 months to make this habit to change of pattern, whatever already you are doing. So don't worry, with the practice it will come. You have to be aware, alert every time, at least 1 or 2 times in daytime also. You just see how your pattern. When you are conscious, you may do correct. While you are unconscious, again you will go to the same pattern, old pattern. So it will take it. Don't worry. If it will take 2 to 3 months to correct your breathing pattern. Okay. Thank you. See you in next video. Dhanyawad.